Hey everyone, let's talk about Japan, a land where tradition and modernity coexist in perfect harmony. It's a super cool place where ancient customs blend seamlessly with cutting-edge technology and futuristic architecture. Think of the bright lights and bustling streets of Tokyo, contrasted with the serene and majestic presence of Mount Fuji. Japan truly has something for everyone. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, or someone looking to relax and unwind. But there's more to Japan than the usual tourist spots. Beyond the famous landmarks, there are hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Get ready to explore secret spots, immerse yourself in the rich culture, and marvel at the breathtaking natural beauty. Imagine walking through ancient temples, feeling the weight of history with every step you take. Hearing stories from long ago, passed down through generations, brings the past to life in a way that is both enchanting and educational. Picture yourself participating in a traditional tea ceremony, savoring the delicate flavors of matcha tea, and appreciating the meticulous artistry involved. As you sip the tea, you can almost smell the history in the air, a blend of ancient traditions and modern influences. Japan invites you to step out of your comfort zone, try new things, and embark on an unforgettable adventure. Whether it's exploring bustling cities, tranquil countryside, or cultural festivals, Japan promises an experience like no other. Japan's culture is super interesting, filled with a rich history and vibrant traditions that have been passed down through generations. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene Japanese gardens, every corner of this country tells a unique story. It's like a story told over many years, with each season bringing a new chapter. The cherry blossoms in spring, the festivals in summer, the colorful leaves in autumn, and the peaceful snow in winter all add to the narrative. Let's go beyond the usual touristy places and really get to know Japan. Explore hidden spots in Kyoto where ancient temples and quiet streets offer a glimpse into the past. Visit remote villages where time seems to stand still, and discover off-the-beaten-path locations that most tourists never see. Try a traditional tea ceremony, where everything has a special meaning. The way the tea is prepared, the utensils used, and even the room itself are all part of a ritual that has been practiced for centuries. Watch a tea master make matcha, a special green tea that symbolizes peace and respect. The careful preparation and the serene setting create a moment of tranquility that is truly unique. Or check out a local festival with bright costumes, cool music, and old traditions. These festivals are a celebration of community and culture, where you can experience the joy and energy of Japanese life. Japan's nature is amazing. It offers a diverse range of landscapes that captivate the soul and inspire the mind. From towering mountains to serene lakes, every corner of Japan is a testament to the beauty of nature. From the snowy top of Mount Fuji, which stands majestically as a symbol of Japan, to the breathtaking aerial views that showcase its grandeur, Mount Fuji is a sight to behold in every season. To peaceful forests and lakes where the tranquility of nature envelops you. These serene spots are perfect for those seeking a moment of peace and reflection, away from the hustle and bustle of city life. See the beautiful cherry blossoms when everything turns pink. This seasonal spectacle transforms the landscape into a dreamlike scene, attracting visitors from all over the world to witness the fleeting beauty of sakura. Walk through tall bamboo forests so quiet and calm. The towering bamboo stalks create a natural canopy, providing a serene and almost otherworldly experience as you wander through these green corridors. Find hidden waterfalls and hot springs in the mountains. These secluded spots offer a perfect retreat for those looking to immerse themselves in the natural beauty and therapeutic benefits of Japan's landscapes. Japan's nature is a place to relax and enjoy the beauty. Whether you're hiking through lush forests, soaking in a hot spring, or simply taking in the panoramic views, Japan's natural wonders provide a sanctuary for the soul. Let's find the secret cool places in Japan. Explore small towns where things feel like they haven't changed in years. Find hidden temples in the mountains, hearing stories about history and beliefs. Meet local artists who make cool things the old way. These special places show you the real Japan, where old and new mix together. Japan is waiting for you. It's a mix of old and new, beautiful nature and interesting culture. Whether you like learning about culture, seeing nature, or finding secret spots, Japan has it all. Let's explore Japan together. Tell us about your travel dreams in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos about Japan.